everyone, myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni and you are watching Dr. Surbhi Sahni Dental Series and Medical Videos channel, and welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about that how to study the oral pathology. So stay tuned with my video till the end. First of all, how to study the oral pathology. You need to study the topic in certain headings, like for example, first you have to learn the introduction of that particular topic, followed by its clinical feature, radiographic feature, histological features, followed by the incidence or the prevalence, and the last one is the treatment of that disease or that tumor, right? So in this subheadings, you have to learn the topic of oral pathology. There are the videos which are already out regarding the oral pathology, best way to learn the classification, followed by the how to prepare for the university exam if you are talking about the oral pathology subject. So don't forget to check out these two videos. I will definitely put the link of these two videos in the I button as well as in the description of this video. Notes regarding this topic, you can contact me by any of the mode. Either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. If you want to check out the oral pathologies video, then do check out. There is the separate playlist which is present on my YouTube channel. Go and just check out the oral pathology playlist. And don't forget to hit the like button to this video, followed by don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.